Pause for a second. Everything you are learning right now is designed to be replaced. This one isn't. This is Gothic calligraphy. It comes from medieval history and it has survived centuries. Imagine having a skill like this, being able to write something like this with your own hands.
But the process demands patience. In fact, most people have already quitted the video by now. If you are still here, that's already sets you apart.
Calligraphy isn't just about writing fancy letters, it's more than that. It teaches you discipline and it improves your retention. So, if you want to learn Gothic calligraphy, soon I will be creating a new series for beginners. So, yeah, stay tuned.